Hello all, this is Robert here with another Tech Geek 311 app review and demo. Today we're going to go over the productivity app called Zippy, which is Task and Reminders. And I wanted to go over this app with you guys today because it's kind of a unique little app in the App Store. I'm going to give you a little idea about it. Kind of a simple reminder app for tasks. The good thing about it though is it has this thing called insights. So they give you kind of a breakdown and everything of how your tasks were and your reminders. And that's something unique I haven't seen in the App Store. As you can see here, it gives you a whole breakdown. This is what it's going to show you. Here, easily adding your task. Very simple, very easy to do. And right here you can set the reminder date. You have all kinds of little choices here. So as usual, this is your description. Right now they're offering a sale, so if you're interested in it, you can pick it up. Of course, it gives you right here the features, so you can see all the features involved. Give you the infographic telling you all the information about how you did. And then of course they have their what's new, and you've seen it's been updated as of April 24th. They now have iCloud backup, notes, font resizing, add the weekday reminder, and so forth. So you can see here they've been updating this app pretty well, pretty fast. So it's a nice little productivity reminder app. It's got some pretty good reviews. And then of course you can see their related content. So let's go ahead and go into the app itself. What I like the most is when you don't have any productivity information here, no tasks, no reminders, they give you these little quotes. And all these little quotes are here to help you become more productive. Be a person that completes tasks and completes their reminders and so forth. Alright, so top left corner, there's these little lines up here. When I tap that, that's going to bring this little area here, which is kind of like your contents. Give you your to-dos, your completed, your insights, which I'll go into, your settings if you want to share this, any feedback to the developer, and then give you the facts about it. So we're going to go into the settings first. You can actually choose your default snooze time. You can also put your time selection interval, 30 minutes, 15, or 5. Tell it which week your start's on, whether your week starts on a Sunday or a Monday. You can play the sound notifications, and you can reset all your data if you want. So go back out here again. If you go to share, this gives you a lot of ways you can share this. Messages, email, Facebook, or Twitter. And then you can also rate it at this time. Come back out here. If you have anything that's been completed, it'll go in this section, and you have that little trash can on the top right corner so you can empty out your completed task if you don't need them. Then of course now we're going to go into your insights. And of course your insights, this tells you pretty much your task completed, what's the percentage on time that you've done it, gives you a breakdown telling you how many you've completed early and how many you completed per day. Also if you have any completed the next day, 2 or more days late, or ones with no due date. Down below, how far in advance you plan your task. On average, completed a task. Mine says 18 minutes after its reminder time. Then of course they give you this little line graph, giving you the times on the bottom, telling you when you've created and completed them. Down here again, tells you when you likely plan most of your tasks. Of course, mine says create 28% of your tasks. Then gives you the time when you're the most efficient and when you finish them. Then, of course, another line graph where you created and completed, telling you what days you mainly have created them and what days you've mainly completed them. And, of course, any tasks you've snoozed. So this is something you're not going to see in most productivity apps. They basically are there just to give you a reminder, and that's it. So this is something that I like the most about this app. Now, let's go into your to-dos. Alright, top right corner you have tags. You're someone that deals with a lot of tags. This is something real good. I don't have that many on here. Basically, it says here, tap on a tag to apply a filter for it or press and hold to delete it. So you can create tasks, all personal, work, important to-dos, and so forth. This is something that makes this app a little more unique. So if we go in here to that big plus button on the bottom, you notice those tags show up. You can even add a tag from here. So let's say I need to do a task for tomorrow. So let's say we're going to go wash. And let's say we're going to wash the car tomorrow. Alright, this is going to be a personal one. So I'm going to tap on personal. Down on the bottom right corner, you have a done button. As soon as you hit that done button, you're going to get this now. Now, I can set this task for later on today, tomorrow, in 2 days, this weekend, next week, 2 weeks, next month, custom, or nothing. So I usually use custom. Now, custom, they give you a whole calendar. So let's say I want to do my car wash on Tuesday, which is the 10th. Now, this is the only part I don't really like that much on this app. I wish they would give you a choice to have 2 separate ways, either the spinning wheels or this. But I always have trouble getting my slider to go exactly where I want it. So I want to get this done about 2 p.m. And you can see that I never really can get exactly where I need it to be. So I'm hoping the developer will hopefully change this, and instead of just having the slider, give you the option to have the wheels if you want. Alright, so once you've selected your time, you hit that little check button, top right corner, and boom, there you go. There it says due soon, wash the car, gives you your date, gives you your time, and gives you personal. So now if I go back out here, let's go into my task, you'll notice that I have no app badge on the outside. So only the ones that show up for that current day will give you an app badge, or not really after midnight, but anything after 6 a.m. you'll get an app badge showing you. So you won't actually have to open the app before you get to see how many tasks you've had. So now, we want to get done with this task. If you slide to the right, you're going to be pulling your menu out. You don't want to do that. But if you slide to your left, you're going to get 2 options. You're going to get the lines, which you can tap on, and it's going to give you the options here. Delete it, reschedule it, snooze, or share it. So you have those choices. You slide to the left again, you're going to get a check mark. Tap that check mark, there it goes. Done. You've completed it. So I go back to the lines, go to complete, and there it is. If I'm done with this, I can slide all the way to here, and I get 2 more options. One, put it back, which is that little arrow pointing down, or the X, which is completely delete. Or, if I want to, hit that little trash can, and it's going to ask me, do you want to delete them all? You can say yes, delete, or no. So if I say yes, it's gone. Done. And that's pretty much it. That's basically how this app works. So it's a pretty fast, pretty simple app. Works real well. Like I said, if the developer would actually change the way that you can pick your alert times, you know, give maybe the consumer an option, use the wheel or use the slider, then I think this would be my all-to-do productivity app to use. But for right now, I use it when I need it, how I need it. And like I said, if you like this app and it's something you want, I've got a link below. Go ahead and click that and you can check it out. It's on sale now. I'm not sure if that's going to stay the same, but you can check. So that's pretty much my review over Zippy and my demo. So if you like this, go ahead and hit that like button below. Give me any comments if you got it, and subscribe if you haven't. And I will catch you guys later with some more. Thanks a lot.